Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can do voice dialing or voice typing right here in Google Doc. Right? So for instance, you wanted to type out something, but you just can't bother to use the keyboard. You can definitely use the voice typing. Right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually use the voice typing right here. Right? If you notice right here, this itself is Google Doc. Right? So you're going to click on the blank. And when you click on the blank, you're going to open up just like this. Important, open up a blank. You notice there's nothing on it, so I want to type something on it, right? You notice is your meeting notes, email draft, and all of that. But we want it to go up, right up here to the tab. So I want to click on the tool tab, right? Click on the tool tab. Coming down right here, notice right there's a line number explore dictionary. Notice a voice typing. So this is what we want to focus on. We're going to click. Notice when you click, you notice it appear here. It's a click here to speak. So notice when I click on this, it's going to come red, right? And everything that I speak or say will actually appear here, right? I'm going to click on it. My name is Mark Brown. I live in the parish of St. Thomas. Right? I can come right here and click it. So notice everything that I just said a while ago, you notice it type it out, so it's very much accurate. Right? Definitely. So that's exactly what it look like. I wanted to type something else. I can just simply come back over here and click again. I like ackee and saltfish. Right? So if you notice right here, so notice definitely. So that's exactly all you use the voice typing right here in Google Doc. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.